Welcome to Friday, June 9th, 2023, your day weather podcast brought to you by Cowboy State Daily. Check them out at cowboystatedaily.com. More omega blocking taking place. So with that, the skies will look like that photo sent in by Randy near Chugwater, as we'll see a lot of afternoon cloud buildup and afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms again. So we're just repeating the weather. Same thing every day. And that'll be the case today through the weekend. Now, this is going to mean showers and thunderstorms will be common as you plan your outdoor activities this weekend, whether you're headed to a reservoir, your favorite campground, maybe you're going to work on that honey-do list at home. Well, take advantage of the mornings. By early afternoon through evenings and early at night, scattered showers and thunderstorms will be common across the Intermountain West and into the western high plains. We did see yesterday a more eastward shift of the showers and thunderstorms, and we'll see that trend continue through the weekend. So watch out for heavy rain, small hail with some of these thunderstorms. Since the winds aloft are weak, we don't tend to see these thunderstorms getting really severe, but heavy downpours have been common this week, as well as small hail. Temperatures are actually going to be below average for the weekend, and we're going to find ourselves going through the first half of June with really nothing remotely hot at all, really anywhere in the West, through the middle of the month. Now, I do expect mid to late next week to get a little bit warmer, but we're going to coast through a good part of June here with nothing really representing or showing us any time of summer heat. Temperatures are going to be close to average or below average in most areas. Beautiful shot there in Kane, Wyoming, in the northern Bighorn Basin from Matt Edwards, and then beautiful Mammatus clouds from Ann. Thanks for sending those in Cody area. Mammatus clouds, those billowing clouds that just really are great to see, especially at sunset when the light hits it just right. You get these to form on the backside of a retreating thunderstorm. The satellite shot again this morning, nothing new. That low continues to be stuck here over the Great Basin, and we continue to have just high humidity air all across the west. So the development of showers and thunderstorms will have plenty of moisture to work with again today. And you can see that in the precipitable water. This is by noon tomorrow. High precipitable water bounded on either side by a drier air mass. So it's focused, it's channeled. So there's just in a concentrated area a lot of water for showers and thunderstorms to work with. So there it is. The omega block continues. As we'll show you here in a minute, though, it is going to start to break down. And as it starts to break down, we will see things change up a little bit next week. I'm going to step you through the next 3 days here so you can kind of see where you live, where you're planning to go for the weekend, and kind of see where the more active shower and thunderstorm pattern is going to be. You can see that there's a little wedge of slightly drier air right here that'll keep thunderstorm chances on Colorado's western slope a little bit low, but generally speaking, just about everywhere else, there's going to be showers and thunderstorms. But that eastward shift of the more active thunderstorms now heading into South Dakota, Nebraska, eastern Colorado, Kansas, down into the panhandles and getting into the western Corn Belt. So this is where we're going to be today. This is where we're going to be Saturday, and this is where we're going to be on Sunday. Now notice on Sunday, it starts to get active again west of the divide back here. This is because of that California low that's stuck is going to start to maybe lift a little bit more north and eastward. And as it does, it's going to move right over the central and northern Rockies early next week. So as the block finally breaks down, we still have to have the low come through. So that means there is just going to be more chances of rain coming. And temperatures mentioned that they are going to be a little bit cooler than average. So you can see the blue and green areas. This is for Saturday. This is why we're not saying anything is really hot. The warmest temperatures relative to average are up here in Alberta and maybe across the northern Rockies a bit, but those aren't anything crazy warm. And this is for the day on Sunday. So summer heat, hard to come by, and will be here for a little bit longer. Now, this is what I talked about, the low coming over. As the omega block breaks, that low still has to come through. So as we get into Monday and Tuesday of next week, rain chances will remain high. So basically, today through at least next Tuesday and Wednesday, expect high chances of showers and thunderstorms. But with the omega block breaking a little bit, a more westerly flow is going to come into the western United States. And you can see this. This is by next Friday. A week from today, a more westerly flow comes in, and what that'll do is that will make it a little bit warmer. That will put to the end of this omega block pattern, and we'll see the pattern behave a little bit differently. But we're talking about really something that's 5 or 6, 7 days away from really happening. So in the meantime, more afternoon and more evening thunderstorm activity, and temperatures a little bit cooler than average. The 10-day temperature anomaly, if you add up the next 10 days, the blue areas represent where it'll be a little cooler than normal. The orange areas a little warmer than normal. What you see here is nothing off the charts. Nothing off the charts cold, nothing off the charts hot. We're kind of in that Goldilocks zone where temperatures are going to be comfortably mild. But we're going to go through probably June 20th, 3 weeks of June with temperatures near or slightly below average, at least for many of you, not all of you, but for many of you. Have yourself a great weekend. Watch out for those afternoon and evening thunderstorms. We'll see you on Monday.